All right, you guys, let's jump right into this video. So this unit today is from Xrsbeauty Hair. This is their 2-in-1 wet and wavy wig, which you can go from straight hair to curly wavy hair in about 2 minutes. But let's go ahead and get into the details of this unit, starting with the lace. This is their clear lace, you guys. I'm going to show you just a quick demo on 3 laces that are popular within the wig community that you see all the time. One being the clear lace, transparent lace, and then brown lace. And I'm just gonna show you guys the clear winner is clearly the Xrsbeauty clear lace right here. You do not have to do anything with this lace, so you don't have to add on any makeup like you would right here with the transparent lace. You can really just pop it on and go. It will fit all skin tones, you guys. So I'm just gonna throw my hair underneath a wig cap like I always do, and I'm using a new gel to slick back my hairline. It's the same Black Panther edge control that I've been using, but this is the clear one, and I believe it's like their biotin type of gel. I don't really know. I just bought off of Amazon and was like, let's just give it a go because I love the purple ones. So I have been raving about XRS's hairline for over like 6 months now, you guys. The wigs already come pre-plucked, pre-bleached as well. They have a layered, natural, customized, it's all done for you hairline. That is just one of the best I've ever seen, and I believe that's out there on the market right now. So there are literally no extra steps that you have to do with this unit, which makes it perfect for people like me who just don't feel like it. So clearly this unit, you can see straight through. You can actually see my hairline. That's how clear this lace is, you guys. I didn't really get too close as far as taking the lace off this go around. My eyes were really watery. I didn't want to cut off my own hair. It was just like, you know what? The lace was so clear. I was cool with it how it came out, but just know I could have taken off a little bit more, but it's all good. We're just gonna take our baby hair and we're just gonna do some swoops and blend it, cover it up, all that good stuff, make it look as natural as possible like we always do. We're gonna work this out. So just taking 4 sections, 2 on each side, and just cutting my hairline a bit. I did make these a little bit longer, but you guys, it's been such a minute since I have put on a wig. Oh my goodness, like a full lace wig. I felt so out of like my element, but I think I worked it out in the end. So I ended up making my little edges, my little swoops, a little longer than I normally would, but it's all good, you guys. I do have a question for you. I would love to start doing like actual like hairstyles when it comes to my units and things like that, but I'm always kind of just questioning myself, basically just saying, well, if I was looking for a new unit, would I want to see an actual hairstyle, or do I want to see the unit like the basic style of it? So just wearing it down, how the curl pattern is, how it straightens, typically how I do my units in my reviews and my demonstrations right now. Or not even choosing one or the other, would you guys just like to see more hairstyles when it comes to wearing your wigs or wearing your V parts or whatever you're doing? Let me know in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. I would love to hear you guys' opinion and see what you guys want out there. So yeah, all right, let's get back into this unit, you guys. Let's get into this hair. Let's get into the hair of this unit, which I found very interesting. So of course this is wet and wavy, so it's gonna be able to revert back and forth as many times, and it's not going to lose its curl pattern. It takes about 2 minutes for it to curl back up, but what I'm doing right now, just put a little bit of my wax stick using my hot comb, and then I'm gonna flat iron this hair, which it didn't really need too much of it, so that's why you'll see me do it in bigger sections, just so I could show you how the unit looks straight. But I wanted to mention the texture of this unit I found interesting. That's what I was getting at. It's not silky, you guys. This is not a silky texture. It kind of has like a mix of silky yet like a kinky straight type of texture. Oh my gosh, I don't even know. It just has texture to it. I don't even know how to explain it. It felt really good, and I feel like it looks really believable, blown out or straightened or something along those lines. Like, I'm not the biggest fan lately. I haven't been, as you guys can see on my channel, of like the silky straight look, but this texture, like, is kind of right in the middle of that. It was very interesting. I really liked it. So this is how it came out, you guys. This is how it's looking. This is how my edges are looking. You see that layered edge look. You see those swoops coming out. They ain't looking too bad. If you are a big fan of the bald cap method, this unit, or a unit from XRS with this clear lace, would be right up your alley. It would be absolutely perfect for that. But yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wet one side of my hair so you guys can see how it looks when it reverts. It really didn't take too much time, maybe about 2 to 3 minutes, but really just make sure you saturate the hair really well. And so this was a good amount of spraying, y'all. I was like, oh, I really gotta saturate this hair. I thought maybe I could just put a little bit of water on it. No, you could really like jump in a pool and like get it all wet and stuff, get it nice and soaked if you wanted to, and it would come out looking curly. And it didn't look like crazy curly. Like, the curls did not look bad. They actually looked really good, really uniformed as well. They looked really pretty. I love the curls on this unit. I am adding a little bit of mousse to the hair as well from Ju Poppin'. I don't know if you guys follow her on Instagram, but that's the mousse that I'm using today. And then next, I'm just gonna take my diffuser and speed up the drying process a bit. The hair wasn't soaking wet or anything like that, but I just needed to hurry up and go because I don't like wet hair lately. And this is how we are looking, you guys. I am in love with this. I love the curls on it. They came out so much prettier than I expected, to be completely honest with you guys. And know that the curls are going to hold forever until you straighten it again, so keep that in mind. But you can't go back and forth. I'm just gonna finish up the other side of my head because I can't walk around with one side straight and the other side curly. I was leaving the house this day, so that would not be a good look. People think I was crazy, but that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. I will leave all the information down below in the description box for you, just in case you're interested. If you have any questions, comments, all that great stuff, don't forget to put them down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one.